Hello and welcome to our new video. Today I will show you how to create Telegram account without using your private phone number. Instead, we will use UK number that we bought from Rentsms.online in our previous videos to create different accounts in various platforms such as PayPal, WhatsApp, Wise account and many others. This time we will use the same number to create Telegram account. If you haven't seen my previous videos, don't worry guys, I will guide you step by step on how to get the number and use it to create this Telegram account. Let's start now. First of all, we need to click on the Telegram icon. Then on Start Messaging. In the first box, we need to choose the country. And in the second one, we will type our phone number. Now let's go to rentsms.online and copy the number. To write rentsms.online here. Then click on Login. I will leave the link of the video in the comment section guys if you don't have an account yet. I have already explained step by step how you can create an account, add fund and buy the number. This is the dashboard of Rentsms.online and here is the number. We'll copy it now. And click here. Then yes. We need to enter the SMS code that Telegram sent to the number. We need to click on the inbox button to see the SMS code. Just copy the SMS code now and type it here. So we have created our Telegram account using Rentsms number. I hope you enjoyed watching this video guys. Please subscribe to the channel. See you in the next video.